Welcome back to Quick Smart Quiz. Can you guess these different animals? It starts easy, but gets harder. Good luck. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's start with the easy level. First question, guess this animal. Tiger. Guess this animal. Lion. Guess this animal. Cheetah. Guess this animal. Goat. Guess this animal. Sheep. Guess this animal. Cow. Guess this animal. Pig. Guess this animal. Horse. Guess this animal. Duck. Guess this animal. Rabbit. Guess this animal. Fish. Guess this animal. Elephant. Guess this animal. Cat. Guess this animal. Dog. Guess this animal. Monkey. Guess this animal. Snake. Guess this animal. Frog. Guess this animal. Giraffe. Guess this animal. Zebra. Guess this animal. Bear. Next up is the medium level. Guess this animal. Kangaroo. Guess this animal. Penguin. Guess this animal. Peacock. Guess this animal. Parrot. Guess this animal. Crocodile. Guess this animal. Hippopotamus. Guess this animal. Rhinoceros. Guess this animal. Chimpanzee. Guess this animal. Panda. Guess this animal. Leopard. Guess this animal. Hyena. Guess this animal. Eagle. Guess this animal. Wolf. Guess this animal. Camel. Guess this animal. Tortoise. Guess this animal. Flamingo. Guess this animal. Octopus. Guess this animal. Bat. Next up is the hard level. Guess this animal. Axolotl. Guess this animal. Okapi. Guess this animal. Narwhal. Guess this animal. Quokka. Guess this animal. Pangolin. Guess this animal. I. Guess this animal. Sala. Guess this animal. Tapir. Guess this animal. Cassowary. Last one, guess this animal. Showbill stork. Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share your score in the comment.